Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. This is Amita. Today's topic leaf, about leaf and its parts. Okay, this topic will taken from class 5th to 8th. Very interesting topic and important topic about leaf. Okay, do you know children, you can see easily seen in your garden, park and near about home so many leaves and big and small size and full of green color. Okay, this is a very interesting fact. Here, this session we will know about leaf. Okay, so listen carefully and please you can see on your board and listen carefully. What about leaf? How can define leaf and its parts? So this session only discussion about leaf and its parts. So let's start without any wasting time. So firstly draw here leaf. Okay. This is a leaf. Firstly draw here leaf. This is a green color. You can easily see in your garden, park and near about home, kitchen garden. So different kinds of leaf present in our environment. Okay, and different types of shapes and size. This is a leaf. You can see on your screen, this is a leaf. Okay, and here this is a stem. Okay, and each part showing on your screen, this is a lamina, broad portion. Okay, broad portion showing on your screen, this is a lamina. Okay, here this is a broad portion, this is a lamina. Okay, so let's start. Lamina, here this is a broad portion, lamina, and leaf blade. This is a lamina and leaf blade, and here this is a leaf margin. Okay, you can see on your screen, this is a green and broad portion, lamina and leaf blade. Okay, and this is a leaf margin, and here this is a petiole. Okay, petiole, or we can say or stalk. Okay, and this portion is leaf base. So this is a structure of leaf. Okay, the broad and expanded form of part leaf is called leaf blade, and here margin is called leaf margin, and this is a petiole, and this is a stem. Okay, and here this portion, this is a main central vein and called midrib. Central vein or midrib. You can say here midrib, and this is a so many branches arises from the central vein. You can see on your screen so many branches arises from central vein. This is called vein. And here this is a tip, apex. Okay, this is a apex. This portion is apex. You can see on your screen, or tip of leaf. Okay, here, and this portion central vein, midrib or primary vein, we can see here. This is a central vein or midrib, you can see primary vein, and some little branches and so many branches arises from the central vein and midrib. This is called vein. Okay, so here this is a primary vein. primary vein. So this is a little bit structure of about its leaf and structure showing on your screen very clearly description. Here this is a midrib or central vein. Some little branches arises from the central vein called veins, and this portion is apex, and this is a broad and expanded form of leaf. This portion is called lamina and leaf blade. Expanded form, this portion is lamina or leaf blade. Okay, and this is a petiole, stem and central vein or midrib. So come to the point. What about leaf and how can define leaf? What is leaf? The leaf is a thin, flat and part of a plant that is attached to branch. The leaf is a thin. The leaf is a thin. Look, we have to write here. The leaf is a thin, flat. Leaf is a thin, flat and part of a plant. And part of a plant. The leaf is a thin, flat and part of a plant that is attached to branch. That is attached to branch. Attached to branch. Leaves manufacture the food. Main significant and main function of leaf manufacture food for the plant. Leaf is a flat, thin and green in color. And green in color. And green in color. Green in color. Green in color. So, the leaf is a thin, flat and part of a plant that is attached to branch. The leaf is a thin, flat and part of a plant that is attached to branch of plant and green in color. Okay? And green in color, it is called kitchen of plant body as it's prepare food for plant. Okay? It is called the kitchen of plant. The leaf is called the kitchen of plant. Why? Because prepare the food of kitchen of plant body as it prepares food for plants. Leaf is also called kitchen of food. Kitchen of plant. Why? Leaf is also called kitchen of plant. Why? Because body as it prepares the food. Because body as it prepares food. Prepares food for the plant. Okay? For the plant and animals and human beings all are depend upon plants for their food. Okay, but here little bit description only know about leaf is also called kitchen of plant. Why? This is a very important question. Leaf is also called kitchen of plant. Kitchen of plant called also because body as it prepares food. Because body as they prepare food for plants and other human beings and animals. So very important and interesting topic about little bit description and primary stage of know about leaf. Okay, so structure of, come to the point, structure of leaf. This is called petiole. Here, this portion is called petiole. This portion is called petiole. First, petiole. Okay, this is a petiole. Petiole is top of a leaf. we also known as stalk of a leaf. Petiole, we can say in other words, stalk of a leaf. So here, right here, stalk of a leaf. Stalk of a leaf. Petiole is, we can say also other words, stalk of leaf. And then lamina. Lamina is also called a leaf blade, the broad and expanded form of leaf. The broad and expanded part of leaf. This is a broad portion. You can see on your screen, this is called lamina. So here, lamina. First, second, lamina. This is a lamina. The broad and expanded form of leaf. Lamina, or we can say here leaf blade. The broad and expanded form of leaf. Okay? Form of leaf. This is a lamina. Lamina, in other words, leaf blade, the broad and expanded form of leaf. Expanded part or form, you can see here, part. Okay? And third point, midrib. Okay? So, this is erase here. Midrib. Midrib. We also have a central vein. Midrib, the central vein of the leaf. This is this portion. The central vein of the leaf here. That start from the leaf base and reach out the tip of the leaf. This is called central vein. So, third point, midrib. Third point, midrib. Okay? The central vein of the leaf. The central vein of the leaf. Central vein of the leaf. This is called midrib. And vein, network of branches. How can you define? This is a vein. Okay, network of branches arises from the midrib. Network of branches arises from the midrib. This is vein. Fourth, vein. Network of branches arising from the midrib. Arising from the midrib. This is a vein. Network of branches. How can you define vein? The network of branches. So, here this is a network of branches. You can see on your screen. This is a network of branches. Okay? This is a network of branches called vein. Okay? Network of branches arising from the midrib called vein. Network of branches. So, let's revise. How can define leaf? The leaf is a thin, flat and part of a plant that is attached to branch and having a green color and thin and green color. It is called the kitchen of plant because as a leaf body, it prepares food for plants and all animals and human creature. Okay, so this is called kitchen of plant. Okay, and next point, petiole, petiole stalk in leaf, stalk of leaf, lamina and leaflet, the broad and expanded part of a leaf, and midrib. The central vein is called midrib, and we can say our primary vein. And vein, network of branches arising from the central vein or midrib. So this is a very clear fully description here about leaf. We will end this video here, and I will put up in this previous video link, all video links put up in this video description box. So please request to all, subscribe, like and more, share and press it button for upcoming notification, and next part we will know about types of leaf. So take care.